The North Bayshore Drive ramp to eastbound MacArthur Causeway will be permanently closed soon to continue foundation work for the new I-395 signature bridge and the construction of the new permanent ramp. Drivers north of I-395 heading to the MacArthur Causeway towards Miami Beach can go south on Biscayne Boulevard and enter a new temporary left turn lane to the MacArthur Causeway located south of Northeast 13th Street. This traffic pattern will remain in place until 2029 when the new permanent ramp is scheduled to be completed. If you have any questions regarding this new traffic pattern or the project, please use the contact information shown here. You can also go to the project website to sign up for project alerts. And always remember to drive safe and pay attention when driving around work zones.